Do 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 do. Josh's Order Corner.
That's me. It's so loud in here right now, but we're gonna run it. I have this that I want to get opened up so I can go listen to it. Here we go. It's heavy. It's really heavy, but it's not metal. Haha, haha. Heavy metal. Um. Oh boy, I hate these mailers, but whatever. Chad, you're gonna be disappointed in me on this one, bud. I'm sorry. On Father's Day, this company was doing free vinyl. And I don't know if someone sent me this discount and it was like a gift thing that they had to pay for. I don't know. But the Sound of Vinyl is where I purchased this from. And it was free. I had to pay for shipping. So it came out to it was like $8, I think, for this album. And it is Country Fucking Grammar by Nelly. Oh boy. And of course has parental advisory. I was worried it was like a clean version, but Nelly was the number one album for 5 consecutive weeks, 8/26/2000 through 9/23/2000. Number one single with Country Grammar for 4 consecutive weeks, and 5 times platinum. Diamond certified debut album. Yo, come on, man. Come on. Got Murphy Lee on here. This is a heavy, it's like a book cover, not like a traditional album cover. It's nice. Fold it out here. There's that. Boo-doo-boo-doo. Nelly and the Saint Lunatics. Oh man. Murphy Lee, Spud, Kiwan, Ollie. Man. Country Grammar, obviously. Ride With Me. Thicky Thick Girl, that's a good one. Batter Up. Country Grammar instrumental is on here. I never remember. What are you talking about? Running your mouth like you know me. Remember the name of the? Oh, Number One. Joe Perry did the guitar on that. That was on the next album. For My featuring Lil Wayne is on here. Boy, this is gonna be a lot of fun to listen to as my family looks at me like, "Who are you?" Because I don't think I've ever been vocal about my love for Nelly to them. Air Force Ones. I know every word. I even can sing different voices for all the different people singing in that song. It's a nice, crisp blue. Oh boy. Oh boy. Batter up indeed. I cannot wait to take this for a spin. I'm so excited right now. I am so excited. Lil Wayne appears courtesy of Cash Money Records. Teamsters appear courtesy of Faux Real Entertainment. Nelly's playing in Cleveland soon, but unfortunately, as you may know, his newer stuff is not this. So that's sad. But Country Grammar, man, I cannot wait. I can't wait. Hot in. So hot in her.